When the setbacks and pain in life push us into the abyss, we often feel powerless and confused. However, every dilemma is an awakening of our inner strength and an opportunity for us to re-understand ourselves. At such a moment, find peace and happiness from it. Let this wisdom guide you, turn pain into strength, get out of the darkness, and welcome the bright future. When we face the difficulties in life, through self-love, we learn to accept our imperfections and find opportunities to grow in difficulties. This kind of self-love is not only an affirmation of self-worth, but also a source of strength, which can help us maintain mental stability in difficulties and finally move towards a bright future. Embrace self-love, so that we can still maintain our peace of mind and hope in the face of challenges. The power of self-love. Self-love is not selfish, it is an indispensable part of our lives. Only by truly loving ourselves can we love others and maintain peace of mind in the face of challenges. When we learn to accept our imperfections, we can find opportunities to grow from difficulties and use this power to illuminate the road ahead. Self-love is an inner practice that leads us to the inner light, so that we can find strength and hope at every stage of life. Looking for light in the dark, when we fall into a low tide, the darkness seems to completely devour us. However, there are seeds of light in every darkness. Through self-love, we can cultivate these seeds into flowers of hope in life and use these lights to dispel the darkness around us. Every dilemma is an opportunity for our hearts to grow. Every pain is an opportunity for us to find our inner strength. Embracing self-love is the starting point for us to find light in the dark. From pain, the pain in life is often a reality that we can't escape. But these pains are not meaningless. Through self-love, we can turn pain into an opportunity for growth, so as to achieve spiritual transformation. Every fall is an opportunity for us to stand up. Every pain is the soil for us to grow. Self-love is the key to our transformation from pain, so that we can still find inner strength and peace in the face of the challenges of life. Create your own happiness. Happiness is not given by the outside world. It comes from our inner peace and satisfaction. Through self-love, we can create our own happy life. We don't have to rely on the recognition of the outside world to affirm ourselves, but to find strength and happiness from the heart. This kind of happiness is an inner harmony and a deep connection between us and ourselves. Let's find happiness and satisfaction every day.